almost 2 years ago, and I'm so incredibly glad that all of you will be able to see it today. It's something that is really close to my heart as a Polynesian, someone who's grown up in Hawaii all my life. I know of our culture, and we all know how important wayfinding is. And now, this film is going to be shared with the world, and everyone else will know it too. So,
wow.
Thank you. We have this video. I was a newcomer up to this film, and we also had another newcomer that I kind of helped, I kind of tutored, I helped him along the process. There's a nickname, you may not know it,
it's not scissors and it's not paper.
It's like rock. It doesn't make sense to me. If you don't know that, it's Dwayne the Rock Johnson. It's But we do have this very special video if you folks would like to watch it.
Okay, what he's saying is...
Very exciting right now. So let me just start by saying Talofa to everybody there. It's a very special event right now. We are so proud to bring you a screening of Moana. I know our filmmakers are there with you right now, and I wish I could be there, but as you guys can see, I'm in New York City, I'm promoting right now, I'm working. Again, I wish I could be there with you guys and watch the movie with you. I watched the movie with my family, and we loved it. We're so proud of it, and so proud to be able to show you guys there. And the feedback we've been getting all over the world, certainly from Samoa, for the few who have seen it in Samoa, and all the Polynesian islands, has been so incredibly positive, which we're very excited about. So guys, I just want to say, just personally for me, to be able to showcase our Polynesian culture to the world in this magnitude, in this epic style, epic fashion, amazing storytelling, amazing characters, was the #1 reason why I signed up to do the movie, to play the character of Maui. And again, I can't wait to show you guys, and I'm very proud of it. And as we say, as it's in our blood, in our culture, Talofa, and enjoy the movie, and I'm very proud to bring it to you guys. Okay, enjoy.
Oh my gosh, I am one of you will board my hopes and return the heart of Tahiti. I think that's at least sort of right. And I love Samoa. I love Samoa. I love Samoa Observer. Sakia Samoa.